Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Javen Postal, and today at the grill I'm going to show you how to make an incredible smoked lemon pepper pork loin using the Jumbo Joe grill. And just like always, I'm going to put all the show notes for you in the description box below, so make sure to click down there to see everything that you need for this recipe. Also, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, let's get into the cook. So to get started with this recipe, you're first of all going to need a pork loin roast. This is about 3.5 to 4 pounds, and I am going to leave all the fat on the outside of this pork loin just to add to the flavor of this lean cut of meat. So the first thing that I'm going to do is give it a spray with some olive oil. This is just going to help be a binder for our salt and our rub to stick to. Once that's done, we're going to apply our salt. Make sure when you're salting to salt all sides. And if you are going to be dry brining your pork loin, this is the point where you'd stick it in the fridge covered overnight. The next thing that we're going to apply is our barbecue rub, and this is a lemon pepper barbecue rub. I mixed together 2.5 tablespoons of dried lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to the entire outside surface of this pork loin. And with this pork loin all ready to go, I'm going to get the Jumbo Joe set up for cooking at 325 degrees. To do this, I'm going to place about 25 briquettes into the Jumbo Joe, and then on top of that, I'm going to add about 20 fully lit briquettes. Next, I'm going to add in some apple wood chips for smoking, and then get our grill grate back on. Once that's all ready, I'm going to close the lid and get it up to 325 degrees. All right, so our Jumbo Joe has just come up to 325 degrees, and so we're gonna get our pork loin on. But before I do that, I'm gonna place a digital thermometer into the center portion of this pork loin, just so we can monitor the temperature as it cooks. With that done, let's quickly open up the Jumbo Joe and get it on. With that all done, we're gonna close the lid and begin cooking. So our pork loin has just hit 100 degrees, and so I'm going to open up the Jumbo Joe and just rotate this pork loin just to get some even cooking going on. You can see that it's starting to form some nice color from that smoke, and it's not going to be too long before this pork loin is done. So let's close the lid and continue cooking until this pork loin reaches 140 degrees. This pork loin has just hit 140 degrees internal temperature, and so let's open up the grill and take a look. Wow, that looks incredible. So what we want to do is just probe the internal, just to double check to make sure we're right on target. And this is showing that it is the same. And so we're going to pull it off and let it rest up to 145 degrees. This pork loin has such great color, and the aroma that's coming off that rub is just unreal. And so let's slice into it and give it a taste test. Guys, this pork loin is insanely juicy. There's juices all over the board and even off the board, but it's sliced up, and so let's give it a taste test. Let's grab this one from the middle here. Here we go. As expected, this lemon pepper pork loin has an amazing flavor. You got that pepper that's coming through with the softness of that lemon zest that was in that rub. It's seasoned perfectly. It's full of juices. This one's a winner for sure. So that's how you make that juicy lemon pepper pork loin. I know you're gonna love it. Hey, if you like what we're doing on this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for more great barbecue recipes, tutorials, and reviews. And other than that, we'll see you next time.